You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will look at a lot of charts here, but I will start with SAN. Okay, so right here on SAN yesterday, I look at this very chart and I said you should expect more drop down before you take a trade around this area of the 0.50% level on the Fibonacci and the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci around this area. So I am expecting this retracement to still come back down to this level or to the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci that is around this area. So I could potentially draw this rectangle around this area and said I'm looking at this level as well for market to drop down to before I start to look for buy opportunities. The reason is because market has been moving very parabolically to the upside around this area. Market move, retrace, move. So this retracement as well is inevitable. It's going to come back down and the market will ride up. If you see Bitcoin goes deep down, which I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin chart in a moment, you also have to know that this very price chart is going to go back down because it has been moving up all this while and retracements have to come in. People that bought here have to take profits at this area, so markets have to come back down with good nice retracement. And then also when markets come here, we want to see a move to the upside. Reason being that if you look at this level, market moved drastically from here, so there are some buyers that are seated at this level and they will move the price up when markets come into this area. The first point is this point, and then the second one is this very area. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. BTC USDT here guys, we see a very massive drop yesterday. I talk about this range that until market break out of this very strong resistance, then there is no need of taking a buy position, and that we should expect the market to enter into this area or a breakout. Right now what we'll see is a breakthrough of this level that creates a new low lower than the previous lows within this region. So at this point I am expecting the market to retrace and then continue to the downside. So at this point we see a breakout on this chart, and this breakout is very significant guys. So at this breakout point where the market breakout of the strong support level and then consolidate within this area, this also means that the markets have capacity of going back down. So if you look at the 1-day chart, from the 1-day perspective, you see that the market is still in an uptrend. So if you draw a trend line from here to this level, you see the market is still in an uptrend at this point. So what I want to see next is the market to come back and touch this trend line. So a touch on this trend line should give us a bounce off, that is market to reverse back up, and then we should probably look for a buy opportunity within this area. Now if you look at the stochastic at this moment, stochastic is already at oversold condition, but the question is we don't know when this oversold condition is going to end, but the charts is the very most important thing. In as much as the stochastic is at oversold condition, that means that market will potentially go back up. We see from previous price action, market move from here to this area, enter into the oversold condition of the stochastic here, and then move back up to this level with this very move, and then now again we are seeing the market coming back down into oversold condition. So once the market leave this oversold condition with a significant move and want to see a good bullish candle on the chart around this area, that will also give rise to the next move again on Bitcoin. If we see that move fail to create a new high higher than the previous high right here on this chart, then that's potentially mean the market is about to reverse back down. That will be a sign for a reversal. But if you go back to the forward chart, you see we are already in a downtrend. Let's look out for the market testing this very support line, and then we see a bounce off of the trend line, and then we expect the market to go back up again. So that is what I am expecting on Bitcoin. ETH USDT, if you look at this price action, yesterday I do analysis that the market is going to retrace back down to this area and then we'll see the next impulse. But you see that fail right here, guys, with this very strong bearish candle to the downside. If you look at it very well, this will not give us a potential entry signal because all these candle here were all bearish at this point. So what I'm expecting right now on Ethereum is the market to retrace back to this point and then come back to retest this level again. Now, if you look at this level, it's a very strong level I have been looking out for in the past few weeks now. So this level is very strong, guys. Don't neglect it. A breakout of this support level will send Ethereum back to this target of $3,500 level, this price right here. So that is what I'm expecting on Ethereum right now. I don't want to enter a buy yet. I want to see the market stabilize at the moment for a buy entry. So right now, a retracement to the upside and then continuation of our downtrend from the 4-hour chart. Now, one thing very important I want to show you guys is the CRO token. So right here on KuCoin, if you look at this chart, this very coin has been going up very parabolically, and we see the move from this area of 0.2 up to this very level here of 0.9. Right now the market is retracing, and in my own opinion, this is not the right time to buy yet. If you look at the MACD is sharply down, extreme overbought on the MACD here, and the MACD is right down at the moment. So what I am expecting right now is the market to retrace back up from here. There should be a retracement and the market should come back down. This is the first point I want to look for buy opportunity from, and then this is a second point. At this level, it would have given us a nice good retracement to enter at this point. I am going to also give this signal right here. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the description of this video and you see a contact and reach out to us immediately. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.